Hi, I'm Gany. What I do almost every day in my kitchen is to decide what to cook for the day. I don't keep recipe books anymore. Instead, I've created a digital cookbook in CozZo. In this cookbook, I keep some old family recipes and favorite recipes which I save from internet. For example, this one. I find it very convenient to browse through the recipe list and see what I can cook with products that I have. For example, on this one I have 5 out of 8 products in stock. Here I can see which are matching products. If I have a missing one, I can easily put it in the shopping list, just like this. Also, it is very helpful that I can scale the recipe to different cookings, like this. Even more, on my kitchen page, I have suggestions, it's right here, I have suggestions of recipes that are using products which are about to expire. So I don't waste any products anymore.